So Theranostics is a very exciting treatment modality right now. We're starting to see more commercial agents approved, and we have 2 in the US. But our research program, the pipeline, is really huge. One of the unique aspects for GenesisCare globally is we operate it right now for the program in Australia, UK, and the US. We have certain advantages in Australia where we can get up and going very quickly. It's a great place to do phase 1 trials. We have several imaging partnerships where we can do first-in-human PET imaging as the copper agents are starting to come down the line, and we're seeing those used more and more, which have great access implications in the United States. And what we're doing is taking those phase 1 trials, those first-in-human imaging trials, and bringing them to places like the UK and the US. One example of this is in the US we do a trial with Curium, looking at metastatic castration-resistant patients and getting access to things like lutetium PSMA prior to chemotherapy. In the US, lots of exciting things are happening. We have PET scanners in many locations to do imaging-only studies, and a lot of these agents are first validated in imaging studies. As we look towards therapeutic implications in different disease sites, we're starting to partner with companies to bring this to not just prostate cancer and neuroendocrine cancer, but things like small cell lung cancer, where the options really aren't great for extensive stage patients. And I think radiation with something like actinium dotatate would really help. So GenesisCare is really a partner of choice for theranostic studies. We have the deep bench of experience from Australia with these agents going back many years, both for lutetium as well as actinium. This benefits all of our investigators for having a strong team to lean on to discuss toxicity management, how to approach these patients, how to discuss these medications. But also in the US, we have an incredible network. So we have 18 states where GenesisCare has a footprint. We have lots of patients. We share these patients with medical oncologists, with urologists to provide multidisciplinary care. And so truly we can recruit across the disease spectrum, not just prostate patients, but also looking into colorectal patients, pancreatic cancer patients, lung cancer patients, as we see more and more of these theranostic agents approved and coming towards clinical trials.